Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, backup camera, power sunroof, stability control, power steering, cruise control, premium sound system, MP3 player, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.